Let's solve this exciting stunt car problem involving projectile motion. A stunt driver wants to jump over 8 cars parked side by side. We need to find the minimum speed needed when launching from a horizontal ramp, and then when the ramp is tilted up at 7 degrees. Let's start with part A, where the ramp is horizontal. When our stunt car launches horizontally, it follows a parabolic path. We can analyze this motion by breaking it into horizontal and vertical components. The horizontal motion continues at constant velocity, while the vertical motion is affected by gravity. For the vertical motion, we use the equation y equals y0 plus vy0 t plus 1/2 at squared. Since we start at 1.5 meters with zero initial vertical velocity, and acceleration due to gravity is negative 9.8 meters per second squared, we can solve for the time it takes to reach the ground. Solving for t, we get 0.55 seconds. Now that we know the time, we can find the required horizontal velocity using distance equals velocity times time. 22 meters divided by 0.55 seconds gives us 40 meters per second, or about 90 miles per hour. Now for part B, the ramp is tilted up at 7 degrees. This changes our initial conditions. Now our initial velocity has both horizontal and vertical components. The vertical component helps us stay in the air longer, which means we don't need as much speed. Using our projectile motion equations with these new initial conditions and solving for the minimum velocity, we get 14.8 meters per second, or about 33 miles per hour. This is much less than the 40 meters per second needed with the horizontal ramp, showing how the ramp angle helps reduce the required speed.